Right now, one of the most viral skincare trends you are seeing everywhere is glutathione for skin whitening. Celebrities are talking about it. Influencers are promoting it. Clinics are offering it as a fast-track solution for brighter, lighter skin. But here is the real question no one is clearly answering. Is glutathione actually working? Or are you just being sold a promise that sounds better than reality? Because what I'm about to tell you might completely change how you look about this treatment. First, let's understand what actually glutathione is. Glutathione is not a fairness treatment. It is a powerful antioxidant naturally produced inside your body. It is made from 3 amino acids and its primary role is detoxification, reducing oxidative stress, and protecting your cells from damage. So how did it suddenly become one of the most powerful talked about skin whitening solution? The answer lies in its effect on melanin. Melanin is the pigment that gives your skin its color. Now inside your body there are 2 types of melanin. One is eumelanin, which is darker. The other is pheomelanin, which is lighter. What glutathione does is it interferes in its pathway. It reduces the activity of enzyme called tyrosinase, which is essential for melanin production. At the same time, it shifts melanin synthesis towards the lighter form. Now on paper, this sounds like a perfect solution for skin lightening. But here is where the thing starts getting complicated. Just because something works at a biochemical level does not mean that it will give you dramatic visible results in real life. And this is the gap most people do not understand. Now let's talk about how glutathione is actually used. You will commonly see 3 forms: oral supplements, topical products, and intravenous injections. And this is where the hype is highest, especially around the injections. They are often marketed as fast, powerful, and guaranteed to lighten your skin within weeks. But here's the truth. The scientific evidence supporting strong, consistent skin lightening results with glutathione is still limited. Some studies shows mild improvement in skin brightness, but the kind of drastic whitening results that are being advertised are not consistently proven. And more importantly, they do not happen for everyone. Now let's talk about absorption because this is critical. When you take glutathione orally, your body breaks a significant portion of it down during digestion. So the amount that actually reaches your bloodstream and affects your skin is limited. That is why many people do not see noticeable results even after months of use. Now injection bypass this issue, but they introduce another layer of concern. Because intravenous glutathione is not universally regulated for cosmetic skin lightening in many places, and long-term safety data, especially at higher doses used for skin lightening, is still not very strong. So now you are in a situation where expectations are very high, but scientific backing is not equally strong. And this is exactly where most people get misled, because they are not told the full picture. They are shown before-after results, quick transformations, and fast promises. But what is not discussed enough is variability. Not everyone responds the same way. Not everyone achieves visible lightening, and the results, even if they appear, are often temporary unless maintained. So the real question you should be asking is not, does glutathione work? The real question is, does it work reliably, safely, and predictably for skin lightening? And the honest answer is not the extent it is being marketed. Now here is something even more important. Most people who are considering glutathione are actually dealing with concerns like pigmentation, tanning, acne marks, or uneven skin tone. And these conditions are well-established, scientifically proven treatments that directly target the root cause. In many cases, focusing on those treatments give better, safer, and more predictable results than chasing a generalized whitening approach. So before you decide to go for glutathione, especially based on trends or social media influence, take a step back. Understand what your skin needs, because in dermatology, the best results do not come from the most viral treatment, they come from the most appropriate ones. And that difference is what protects your skin from unnecessary risk and disappointment.